if you got down, and as you're still going, if you're not up to here yet, see if we keep going, if you can get to these three equations. If you get to these three equations, you got that right. The rest of it would be working, actually, what would I do? I already have, oh, not C, it's supposed to be a 3. Yeah. A plus B is 3. I already have a C missing from here, so I might as well get rid of a C from one of the other ones. Figuring out a way to do it, I'd probably do, let's see, multiply this one by -3, and I get rid of the C. So you have a couple of ways that you can play with it there. So I'll tell you in this case that A is 4, B is -1, and C is 5. So you would put 4, -1, or make it minus, and 1 over that, and a 5 for here. So this is the part, if you can do all that right, then you've already done systems of 3 equations, and they almost always have one that's easier to work with, so you're like partly already there with the 3 equations. If you have something a little off on here, look at it, ask me a question if you want, or double check and see, but I'm pretty sure I got all these in the right places. Because I worked it out before, and I have the right things down on there, as long as I don't do a little typo on my own. Everybody's finishing with these. Any questions about how to do these? If you have any come up, let me know. If you have any problems with figuring out, like that one with the CX plus D, just remember first that it's always 1 degree less that you're trying to do, and then writing out the rest of it if needed. And that's the kind of thing I might give you a simpler one where you don't have to work out all the details, you just have to do that first step to show me that you're setting it up. But then you'll work out one that will not be as simple as the first one I showed you, won't be as hard as the one with the CX plus D probably, but it will have some combination here of it. I'm not quite sure how far I want to go with it. But you'll have one where you have to work out the whole thing, and because there's so much to it, I'll probably make it a 2-parter or worth 2, depending upon how I feel. If I make the test on a day where I'm feeling nice, I will count it as a couple of problems for you. Otherwise, I'll just make you do more.